Easter egg hunt 2011.
Oh, look it. Put it in your bucket.
Come on, Des. Look all around. Come on.
Look all around and get it in your bucket. Look over there.
Look, there's another one.
I want more. Look at you. Look right down there. Isaiah, you missed some.
She's like, dude, I'm gonna slide like the whole thing. He finds the one up high. She's just like, I'm taking all these. Des, look, there's some more over here. Careful. Oh, again! The other one.
And she stood still this time for you.
Oh, gee! Hey, come on.
They're racing to that one egg.
You got it. Good job, bud. Yeah, good job. You want me to get you your bag? Is your bag easier? Yes, come on. Isaiah, look.
Oh, there's one more.
Oh, Jack.
First broken egg.
Yeah. All right. Here, let Mama carry it for you. Here, come on, come on. Is there one right there? Here, put it in here.
Carrot. Oh, I see a hiding one. One more.
Isaiah, look.
Look down.
Look down, though. What's in there? Des, you come here. You come this way. Come on. There's more this way. They're all over the place.
Easter egg hunt. Giving them the fucking eggs.
They're only 2 and 3. Hey, no, you don't open it yet.
Look around,
Get
Isaiah.
in here. Look, you pretty racing on. Look, Des, let's go this way. Come on. Which one's this way?
Look up.
Look up.
Look up. Oh, at the building.
Over there.
This way. Whoa.
I can't reach it.
Go with that. She's finding them all. Go look at Mama's car. Whoa.
Man down. Pick him up, bud.
Keep the dirty candy.
Mama and sis will help.
Okay? You okay?
Get your bucket. Get back on the horse.
Oh, I see one.
Isaiah,
Go look at Mama's car.
You know what we should do? Is we should empty these out at the
He's
end.
going for the big one.
We should empty these out at the end and save the
Lost it. Flat tire. She got a flat tire.
Oh, look at the tree.
I get it.
Oh.
Des, let's go around back. Oh, crap. Here. Oh, put it in here.
Isaiah, look at Mama's car again. Look at the tires. Check out the tires, Des.
Des, come here. Look. Isaiah's like, all right, come here, Des.
Hey, Isaiah, come look up here.
Look over here, buddy. There's more over on the other side of the room. Isaiah, look.
Look up there.
Car.
Yeah. Score.
All right, come on, come here, look.
Open the check. Open the check.
Look up there. What's up there?
You missed one.
Look. Look at the rail. It's on the rail.
Car.
Yeah.
Other one.
Look at the little gnome over here. Look at the gnome.
No.
You got his egg? Yeah. Score.
One more time. One more.
Where are the other ones? You gotta look.
Dude, next year they'll have this down pat. Des, look.
Shoot, shoot, get a shoot.
You get another one?
Isaiah, what's over here? Des, what's in here? Look at this bucket.
Oh, another one.
Over there. Leave the candy that's on the ground on there. Put that in there. Let it Daz, over here, look. You got this one.
Wait, no, because you're dropping. We gotta go find more. There's more.
I see one. I see a purple one.
Show again,
Pink one
baby.
over here.
Isaiah, look
Take
over
your
here.
socks off.
Hold on, wait. Stop.
Oh, look.
It's right there, bud.
Pink one. I see a pink and a green one. There's the green one.
Come over
He's
here.
not gonna be able to run now. Here, just put these on.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, it's my blue.
Wait for Daz. Let Daz find some. She doesn't have her shoes on.
She lost her tires.
I see a pink one and a green one. Purple,
Go ahead,
orange.
find them.
Daz, look.
Put it in your basket.
I see an orange one. I see a pink one.
Oh, Dad,
No, I see a Daz again.
Say hello, YouTube, Johnny.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see a green one. Isaiah, over here.
I make it a tree.
Isaiah, look. I found one for you. Look. Oh, he found one. Here, put it in here.
Let me get it.
Hey. There's plenty enough to go around. Look, Isaiah, I see a blue one. I see a blue one over there. Des, new. Isaiah's turn. He let you get a couple because you have no shoes on. Right here, bud. In the tree. See the blue one in the tree? Oh, you got two. Score.
We didn't even count how many we
Des' turn. I know, I don't know.
I don't even care.
We'll find them tomorrow. I don't know. Is there any more?
Yeah, I see one over on the porch. I see a purple one. Guys, there's a purple one. No, Isaiah. There's more. I see another green one.
I see a yellow one.
I see a green one. There's a yellow one too.
Over by trees.
I see a purple one.
Oh, is that pink? Uh-oh.
Here, Doug. Look it over here. Guys, look.
Did we find them all?
Yeah.
We did?
Did they get the ones off Jen's tires?
Yep. Did you find them all, guys?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Good job. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Hey, say Happy Easter to the camera.
Des, look at him.
Say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Say it.
Happy Easter.
Des, look at him. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
2011. Say bye, YouTube.
Bye,
Say bye, YouTube.
YouTube.